Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on IOST coin. In today's video, I want to show you that how after this strong sell-off, the price line of IOST has formed a very big bullish reversal setup and entered the buying zone. And this is a very big bullish reversal harmonic cipher pattern. And this was the chart that I shared at the Patreon on 11th of July, and the price action completed the final leg of the bullish cipher. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, let me just show you this chart. You can see that the price action formed a perfect cipher move and entered the buying zone. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, our buying zone starts from 3.7 cents and goes to 2.25 cents. However, we also had a very strong support of 100 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving averages at the very end of this buying zone. And now I'm going to show you what the price line is doing currently at this time by playing this chart on the trading view. And you can see I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price action was hitting the spikes even beyond this buying zone up to this 100 simple moving average, but now it has re-entered here. You can see that the price is 2.33 cents and the buying zone ends at 2.25 cents. So it can be a very good buy the dip opportunity because the price action is moving at the very end of this buying zone. If we set this 100 simple moving average as a stop loss and set these sell targets, these are the Fibonacci targets that I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish cipher, then it can be a low risk high reward trading idea because it is moving at the end of the buying zone, and from here it will be moved up. This move can be up to 240% approximately. Now, if we move to the live weekly time frame, sorry, this is the daily time frame, then here we can see that we have two major support and resistance levels, and the price line is moving between the support and resistance levels. One is 1.5 cents and the resistance is at 2.5 cents. Previously, we can see this level has been working as a very strong support zone here as well, because here the 2.5 cents has been breaking as a strong resistance, and 1.5 level has been breaking as a very strong support, and the price action after testing this zone started a very big rally towards the upside, and after finding the resistance here, the price action is rejected and moved down back to this support zone that is very strong support zone. And you can see that the price action has also formed a double bottom here at a 1.5 cents horizontal support level, and now it is going to break out the 2.5 level resistance level, and after that we will have the next resistance here that is approximately at 3.5. then the next resistance will be approximately at 5 cents. Then we have this will be a really very major resistance level that is approximately at 6.5 or 6.6 cents. So it will be a really very strong resistance level. You can see previously it has been breaking as a very strong resistance at several times. Now, if I place some trend lines here, then we can see that the price action also found this downtrend line resistance here. And recently, the price action has broken out this resistance. And if I place the support here, then the price action previously was moving in this falling wedge here. You can see this is the support of this falling wedge, even though we don't have so many touches at the support. However, we have 1, 2, and 3 touches here, and the price action now has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge. Therefore, there is now a very strong probability for breakout of this 2.5 cents resistance level as well. Now, if we take a look at the on the weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that the oscillators are turning bullish. The stochastic was already in the oversold zone, and we have received the bull cross between the blue line and red line of this stochastic, and we have received this buying signal from the oversold zone. Previously we received the buying signal here, you can see, and the MACD also gave us the buying signal. Like currently it is giving us a buying signal here. The MACD gave the buying signal here, and we had a very powerful rally towards the upside. And same as like that, we are again going to receive these signals on the weekly time frame. Therefore the price action can start a very big move, especially when it has also completed a perfect bullish cipher move and entered the potential reversal zone. You can see that this is the perfect cipher move, and once the price line will start a big move from this cipher, then it can also break out the final resistance of IOST. That is, recently the price action has found approximately at 8.5 cents, even though we have the rally up to 9 cents. However, we have more touches at this level at 8.5 cents. That can be our final resistance, and after that the price action, if the price line will be able to break out 8.5 cents, then it can even turn more bullish. However, we are expecting that this time the price action can move to 8.5 cents to break out this final resistance very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.